Worried about dents, scratches, cracks and holes on wooden surfaces? Don't be. Berger Woodkeeper Fill O Dent mends all wood imperfections, making every furniture perfectly smooth and beautiful. This water-based high-performance putty and wood feeler has no added lead, mercury and chromium, is zero VOC and comes in multiple shades. You can choose from white, teak, walnut and dark walnut. Fill O Dent can be tinted with CB colorants and importantly, though being a water-based putty, it faces no compatibility issues with solvent-based Woodkeeper wood stains. And gives an exact color matching to the wood. Let's see how to apply Berger Woodkeeper Fill O Dent. First, we need to prepare the surface. Take a 120 number sandpaper and remove any loose particles, paints, dirt, fungal, algae, moss and salt deposits. Follow it up with a 150 number sandpaper. For veneer and MDF surfaces, use 220 number sandpaper followed by 320 number sandpaper. We recommend you to use Berger wood sander, which comes with variable headers and speed regulating options and is equipped with a dust collector. Now, for any cracks, holes and dents on the surface, simply fill it with Berger Woodkeeper Fill O Dent. Let it dry for 2 hours. Then light sand it with 120 number sandpaper. Now it's time to apply the second coat. Let it dry for 2 hours. Then light sand it with 150 number sandpaper. It is ready for the next course of action. With Berger Woodkeeper Fill O Dent, cover up every imperfection on your furniture with ease.